Exercise 12.2, Problem 9, Discussion. In a class, 40% of the students participated in mathematics quiz, 30% in science quiz, and 10% in both the quiz programs. If a student is selected at random from the class, find the probability that the students participated in mathematics or science or both quiz programs. So, let's mark 40% of the students participated in maths, 30% in science quiz, and 10% is both. So there is total number of students is not given, it's all given in percentage. So we'll have to assume the total number of students to be 100. So n of s will be 100 and n of a will be if a is the event of mathematics, select participating in mathematics, b is the event of participating in science, and 10 a intersection b is 10. Okay. So which means n of a is 40, n of b is 30, and n of a intersection b is 10. Then look at it. So a student is drawn at random. The probability of participating in maths or science or both the quiz programs. This is A, this is B, or this is A intersection B. So this is nothing but probability of A union B. That's all it is. Okay. So let's get going. So 40% of the students participated in maths quiz, 30% in science, and 10% in both. This is what is given. We are asked to find the probability that a student participated of selecting a student who participated in maths or science or both the quiz programs, right? Right. The formula is addition theorem. Probability of A union B equal to probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. So, first step, let the number of students be 100. Because it is percentage, let's take it as 100. So n of s is 100. And A be the event of the student participating in maths quiz. B be the event, the student participating in science quiz. Right? And what will A intersection be? That is participating in maths quiz and science quiz. So now with the given data, we can find n of A. What is n of A? That is 40. What is n of B? That is 30. What is n of A intersection B? Who participated in both science and maths. That is 10. So all these three are known. What is the probability of A? That is n of A divided by n of s. So it will be 40 divided by n of s, which is 100 here. Right? So 40 divided by 100. Similarly, we can find probability of B and then probability of A intersection B. Then we need to substitute those values here. So this is known, and this is known. So which means this can be calculated. And what is this? Probability of students say is participating in maths or science. And or both is also covered in this case, in this itself. Okay, so it's mere substitution now. So let's do the problem together. So let A be the event of the student participating in maths and science. A and B be the events of student participating in maths and science quiz respectively. Okay. Let the number of students be 100. Therefore, n of s is 100. N of A is 40%, right? 40% of the students. So, n of A is 40% of 100, that is 40. N of B is 30% of 100 because it says 30% only attended, but we have assumed the number of students to be 100. So, it's 30% of 100, that is 30. And 10% attended both A and B, right? So, that is n of A intersection B is 10% of 100, that is 10. So, we have all the values now. So, what is probability of A? That is probability of a student selecting a student who attended maths quiz, n of A divided by n of s. N of A we just calculated it to be 40, right here. So, it's 40 divided by 100. Probability of B, a student attending a science quiz, is n of B divided by n of s. We just calculated n of B as 30 here. So, it is 30 divided by 100. Next, probability of the student attending maths and science is n of A intersection B divided by n of s. What is n of A intersection B? We just saw that 10. So, it's 10 by 100. So, substitute all these things in this formula. You will get 40 by 100. Probability of A is 40 by 100, probability of B is 30 by 100, probability of A intersection B is 10 by 100. So that will be equal to 100 is the denominator, so it becomes 40 plus 30, 70, 70 minus 10, 60. So 60 by 100, 20 will go 3 times, 20 will go 5 times, so it is 3 by 5. Therefore, the probability of participating in maths or science or both the quizzes is 3 by 5. Now, let's say we are asked find the probability of the student who has not participated in any of these quizzes in maths or science. So, that is nothing but 1 minus 3 by 5. 1 minus 3 by 5 is 2 by 5. What is 2 by 5 in percentage? That is 40%. So, 40% of the students have not participated in either maths nor science quiz. So, that's an extension of this problem. Okay. So, I hope I made it clear. If not, please go through one more time. It will become clear. Thanks for watching this video.